Hi, it's About Luxury Cruising here, and welcome to another of our in-depth cruise videos where we explore the hidden gems of our luxury cruise experiences. Today we're really excited to deep dive into the luxurious world of the retreat on Seabourn Ovation for a relaxing escape where you can expect even more pampering than is normal with Seabourn. So what are our first impressions of the retreat? Well, we love it, and to find out why, watch to the end of the video for the full experience. If you haven't tried it, we think you should, and this video may help you decide, so check this out. The retreat is conveniently located on deck 12 forward, and from the deck plan you can see the retreat is a private, secluded haven with an almost circular layout. This setting is a dream come true for anyone seeking something extra special and truly relaxing. At its heart, a distinctive flower-shaped canopy provides shelter from the sun and the wind, adding both elegance and comfort to the whole experience. Inside, you'll find 15 private cabanas designed as individual luxury living rooms set around a whirlpool. These cabins all face inwards towards a central area equipped with sun lounges, outdoor seating, dining tables and the whirlpool. There's also a dedicated cabana for spa treatments, for which you receive a $30 credit when booking the retreat. There's also a small bar from where the team serve drinks and snacks, etc. The port and starboard cabanas have shutter windows which provide views out to sea or of the port on port days. They also provide some lovely breezes on days when it's just too hot. Once inside the retreat, you're treated to a premium experience of pure comfort and relaxation. Each cabana comes with a dining table, comfortable sofa, sunbeds and a privacy/modesty curtain. It also has amenities such as a large 55-inch HD flat-screen TV, which comes with its own Bluetooth headphones to avoid unnecessary noise and to allow other passengers some peace and quiet. It's all very civilized. There's a TV sideboard under which is a mini fridge stocked with your favorite drinks. There are ceiling fans in the cabanas and around the whirlpool, which helps keep the area cool on those hot port days. Around the whirlpool, the fans also include misting sprays, which is a really nice touch. And while you're in the retreat, you shouldn't forget to use the complimentary flip-flops and use the exclusive bathrobes. So the retreat is open from 9 till 6 p.m. and the cabanas are taken on a first-come, first-served basis. We always try to have the same one, but on busy days some folks are waiting at the door well before 9 o'clock to snag their choice of cabana. Once allocated, it's yours for the whole day. During the day we were plied with refreshments and ice-cold towels, plus these amazing fruit plates. To avoid traipsing down to the patio or the colonnade, we always chose to eat in the retreat. Although the healthy spa menu is quite limited, it's perfectly adequate for a simple lunch for those like us who wanted to maximise our retreat experience. These are some of the menus we had during our stay. We opted for the club sandwich and chopped chicken salad with a few Seabourn fries on the side. Yummy! Anita also had the naughty but nice chocolate sundae. As you might expect, there are a number of perks when you book the retreat. Firstly, you'll be offered a premium champagne, which in our case was a Moet Chandon, upgraded from the Montandon champagne included elsewhere on the ship. Or you can choose from a selection of premium wines or cocktails. This is how champagne should be opened and served, courtesy of the retreat manager, Vincent.
You ready?
This is how to properly open a bottle of champagne.
Sure. Very good. Very good. You've done this before.
I have.
Yeah. Perfect. A good choice of alcohol-free options is also available, and we opted for the alcohol-removed free sparkling wine. This one tastes very much like the real thing. Another bonus when booking the retreat is that each suite comes with a $30 spa credit that can be used in the private spa cabana in the retreat or in the spa itself. A retreat visit is one of those things that isn't included in the Seabourn fare, which most things are. This is a special upgrade and does have a small cost. On our Seabourn Ovation voyage, the retreat was priced at $149 for a port day, $129 for the afternoon of a port day, $249 for 2 port days, and $249 for an at-sea day. There's also various full voyage packages are available, which range from $699 for a 7-day voyage to $1,399 for a 16-day adventure. If experiencing the retreat is on your to-do list, then we suggest you book ahead to avoid disappointment. You can do this on the Seabourn app, on your Seabourn online account, or by calling Seabourn or through your travel agent. You can also book it on board with guest services in Seabourn Square, but beware, it may be full as spaces are very limited. So the big question is the retreat worth it? If you read the online forums, opinions are mixed, but passengers we talk to feel the extra pampering and the exclusivity are worth the expense. However, some argue there shouldn't be a charge for the retreat as Seabourn is supposed to be all-inclusive. But if you think that on some other ultra-luxury lines you can pay $320 for 1 meal for 2 in specialty dining, the retreat seems to be a great deal for the whole day. Given there are plenty of hidden quiet spaces around the ship, like the sun terrace forward on deck 12, which nobody seems to know about, and the aft end of deck 5, plus of course your own balcony, some would not take the plunge. Ultimately, it boils down to personal preference, and we loved it and would do it time and time again when sailing with Seabourn. If you want even more Seabourn love, then why not check out our other Seabourn videos in the description below. Here you'll discover more hidden Seabourn secrets to enjoy. So that concludes our experience of the retreat on Seabourn Ovation. If you like what we shared, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. See you next time.